How do I prepare for a vehicle damage assessment? Are you wondering how to get ready for a vehicle damage assessment? This step is essential in the auto insurance claims process and can make a big difference in how your claim is handled. Let's break down the steps you need to take to prepare effectively. First, understand that a vehicle damage assessment is all about evaluating your car's condition after an accident. The goal is to identify both visible and hidden damage, document it, and estimate repair costs. This information helps your insurance company decide how much they will pay for repairs or if your vehicle should be declared a total loss. Before the assessment, gather all relevant documentation. This includes the date, time, and location of the accident. Make sure to collect contact information for everyone involved. If a police report was filed, have a copy ready as well. This information will help your insurance company process your claim more efficiently. Next, take photographs of your vehicle from different angles. Focus on areas with visible damage, like dents and scratches. Close-up shots of broken parts and any interior damage are also important. Write down notes about what happened during the accident and any concerns you have about your vehicle's condition. This documentation can support your claim and provide evidence if there are disagreements later. Review your auto insurance policy before the assessment. Familiarize yourself with sections about collision coverage and claims procedures. Know what your policy covers, your deductible amount, and any requirements for filing a claim. This knowledge will help you understand what to expect during the assessment and claims process. Notify your insurance company about the accident as soon as possible. They will guide you through the next steps, which usually include scheduling a damage assessment. The insurer may send an adjuster to inspect your vehicle, or they might ask you to take it to a repair shop for an estimate. When the assessment is scheduled, ensure your car is accessible and clean for a thorough inspection. Remove personal items so the inspector can examine all areas without obstruction. If your vehicle is not drivable, inform your insurer so they can arrange for an inspection at its current location. During the assessment, a trained professional, often called an adjuster or appraiser, will inspect your vehicle. They will check the exterior, interior, and undercarriage for visible and hidden damage. The inspector will take detailed photos, note all issues, and prepare a report listing necessary repairs and estimated costs. This report is crucial for your insurance company's decision on your claim. After the assessment, you will receive a repair estimate. Review it carefully. If you disagree with the estimate, you can provide additional evidence, such as photos or estimates from other repair shops. Remember, you are not required to accept the first offer. You have the right to negotiate for a fair settlement. Once you agree on the estimate and choose a repair facility, you will need to authorize the shop to begin work. If any additional damage is discovered during repairs, the shop will contact the insurer for approval of extra costs. Stay in communication with both the repair shop and your insurance company throughout the process. Finally, keep all communication with your insurer in writing. Save receipts for any repairs or related expenses. If any part of the process is unclear, do not hesitate to ask questions. Be honest and accurate when providing information about the accident and damage. By following these steps, you can prepare effectively for a vehicle damage assessment and help ensure a smooth resolution to your auto insurance claim.